Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hi, welcome back. My name is Jeannie and this is Unfiltered 50s. If you have never been here before, then welcome to the channel. I am so glad that you happen to stop over here on this channel. This is a channel for makeup enthusiasts, makeup lovers. We do some unboxings every year. You know, Allure does the Best of Beauty Awards, and then they'll have a box available for purchase. It's on their website, and you can go on that, and it's a Best of Beauty box for, I'll put it across the screen. I can't remember how much I paid for it, but each year I usually try to get that box because it will have some full-size products in it for their Best of Beauty Award winners. And sometimes there's some really good products in that box from the Best of Beauty Award winners from the September Allure magazine Best of Beauty picks. So I went ahead and ordered this, and what came in it was a little card about the box. Our annual Best of Beauty Awards as a cross between product lovers' bliss and utter mayhem. Each year we devote months to slathering ourselves with thousands of creams, serums, powders, and sprays, not to mention playing around with the coolest hair tools and high-tech gadgets to distill our massive list of hopefuls into a tight group of about 300 winners. This year, with all of us working remotely, the testing process came home. Overflow from our medicine cabinets and vanities soon blanketed every open space. So this limited edition award winners box feels particularly like a care package that we're sending from our home to yours. The box includes some of my personal favorite Best of Beauty winners from years past. There's a reason so many dermatologists talk about Elta MD Sunscreen, and I've gotten lots of compliments on Zoom thanks to Kevin Acquah's Glass Glow, which makes even laptop light look downright Mediterranean. The goal of the Best of Beauty Reader's Choice Award has always been to help you identify what's worth your time and money. And since we can't swatch and smear in stores at the moment, I'm happy that we can bring that experience directly to you. I hope you enjoy trying this very special collection of products as much as we did. So, getting into the box, this is what the box looks like. The first thing, and she talked about it in the card, and one of the things that I love so much that I buy on the regular is the Elta MD Skincare SPF. This is their broad spectrum UV clear SPF 46. Let's take a look. So yeah, it just has a little pump on it. It's very, very nice, and I'm very happy to have this in the box because I zoom right through sunscreen. I wear it all the time, indoors and out, and I really like getting that in the box, something I don't have to buy. Another product that I use on the regular, and this is the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream, and this is, it says it is a full size, and yeah, actually I was thinking it wasn't a full size, but actually it is the same size as mine sitting right here is, so it actually is a full size. So that's awesome. I will just put this right back in here and put it in my skincare stash for when I run out of this one, which I am almost out of mine. So that was really nice to get that in that box because, like I said, I am way down on mine. I am almost out. So that's really, really awesome. Another thing that I was just saying that I needed to pick up some more of that I use on the regular is the Moroccan Oil Treatment for my hair. I love this stuff. I have the Olaplex, that is the hair oil, and that is the one product from Olaplex that I do not like I like the Moroccan treatment oil. I love this product. I don't know if I'm just used to it or what, but this product right here, I adore. I just put a couple of drops, not much. I just pour just a little bit, just a little glob in my hand, and I just rub it all on my hand. It has such a good smell. And then what I do is I just run it, from around the scalp, just kind of through my hair, and it just really seems to help my hair not to break off, because my hair is super dry and it will just break off, and it just seems to keep my hair on a more healthy vibe. I do that whenever my hair's wet, before I blow dry it. I do it after I've blow dried it. I just keep oil in my hair. I usually, like I said, I don't wash my hair very often. It's a long span in between washes for me. Maybe one time every 2-3 weeks, and I'll wash my hair. And then we got the cutest. This is a Leopard slip scrunchie for your hair. And I just bought a box of these, and had I known, I would have just not even bought the box. I would have just used this one because I really just wanted one. But these are so good for your hair, to pull your hair back and just have your hair in a silk scrunchie, so that, again, for me, it's all about the breakage. So, it's just a really cute little scrunchie. I really like these products. They don't pull my hair. They hold my hair back really, really well. I can sleep in them and not worry about my hair breaking. Then the other product is the e.l.f. Gentle Peeling Exfoliant, an exfoliating cleanser that gently peels away dead skin and dirt for a soft, glowing, healthy skin. So this is actually a cleanser. Not just, it says Gentle Peeling Exfoliant with purified water, licorice, and papaya. So if you are like my friend Catherine that cannot use licorice, this is not the product for you. But it says that it is also a cleanser, an exfoliating cleanser that gently peels away dead skin cells. I would like to try it because it did win a Best of Beauty. So it might be really, 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 really good. It has to be if it won a Best of Beauty, so I will try it. I'll put it in my skincare box for whenever I get ready to need another cleanser for my double cleanse. Then the next product that we got was a deluxe sample of the Benefit because I'm working through some mascaras and I don't want to open until I'm done, but it does have a wand on it that I really enjoy, so I will definitely enjoy using that one. Then we got a Sol de Janeiro Boom Boom Cream. I do not like this. I can't use it with the scent. The scent gives me a headache. This will go in my giveaway box, but I know so many people love this, and I really want to. Oh, how I want to love this, but I just can't. It gives me a migraine instantly. But somebody else will get to enjoy that. Then we got a Urban Decay 24/7. This is the small shorty 24/7 in 0. This is a color that I don't have. I've got another black one in a different color, but happy to have this one. Then we got a Youth to the People Super Berry Hydrate and Glow Dream Mask, and I have been wanting to try this, and I don't think I have this one. So, yeah. It is sealed, so I will leave it sealed until I am ready for it because I've got so many masks right now that I'm working through. So there's no sense in opening that in my skincare bin. We got a Natasha Denona eyeshadow, a single eyeshadow. These are pretty huge whenever you get these from Allure. And that shade, I don't think that I have it. I didn't see it in gold, I didn't see it in star, and I didn't see it in any of my minis. So I'm not sure that I actually have that shadow. So that might be a Denona shadow that I do not have. So cool. And then we got the Kevin Acquah Glass Glow Face Illuminator. I'm really excited to have this. Oh, this is absolutely gorgeous. This is right up my alley. Like a liquid highlight in kind of a rose gold color. I think you can mix this in with your foundation. I think you can use it under your foundation, on top of your foundation. It's a cream liquid, so I think you can do a whole lot with it. So I'm very excited to have that, because these are the types of products that I really enjoy getting a hold to and, you know, using in my makeup application. They just, oh, make older skin types, I think, look really, really good. Oh, beautiful. So yeah, if you're wondering if you've seen anything about that particular type of a box, the Best of Beauty award box, and you're wondering what's in it, that is what is in mine. And that's what you will be getting. So it just depends on if those type of products you're interested in. But again, you know, the Kevin Acquah is just absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to really enjoy having that. The Youth to the People Dream Mask, even the cleanser from e.l.f. The full-size Banana Bright Eye Cream is a great thing to have. The Urban Decay. It's really a great box. The hair tie from Slip is great. The Elta MD. So, you know, here are so many of the products, and it's just a really good box to have. So yeah, I'm very, very happy. So that catches my Allure box up. Are you gonna renew for the year? Have you given up your Allure? What are you thinking about it? Let me know in the comments below. I love to hear what you're thinking about the boxes. Are you interested in those boxes? Are you keeping them? Yeah, you know, I'm not primarily an unboxing channel. I am, however, addicted to some of these subscription boxes. I have to admit it. I have a weakness for them. So let me know. I am just a good old makeup enthusiast just like you are. I'm just a subscriber like you are, but let me know what you're thinking. I would love to hear from you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel and you'd like to, it's really easy, free. Just click on the subscribe button down below and let me know how your day is going. Let me know if you've picked up any of the boxes from Allure that I have. I'd love to hear from you, and I'll talk to you later, guys. Smooches from me to you. Bye till next time.